focus is at a distance of 80 mm from the directrix. Draw a normal and a tangent at a point on the parabola at 25 mm below the axis. Once again, I am repeating. All of you, please note down properly. Construct a parabola whose focus is at a distance of 80 mm from the directrix. Draw a normal and a tangent at a point on the parabola at 25 mm below the axis. That's all. Read out. Right. Given data. Given data only directly focus is given. Focus is given. F focus is equal to 80 mm. We know that eccentricity, if E equal to 1, then it is able to draw the parabola. If the eccentricity is less than 1, then ellipse will be constructed. If eccentricity is greater than 1, then hyperbola will be constructed. In this case, our eccentricity is equal to 1, means it is need to be draw parabola only. And focus also given itself, it is 80 mm. Now draw the vertical line, which is called directrix. Directrix. And locate the midpoint O and draw the axis line. Axis line. On the axis line, locate the point F. Its distance is 80 mm. Okay, 80 mm. Now it is need to be locate the vertex. Vertex kuda manu దీని మీద locate చేయాలి. Now F equal to 80 mm. Okay, just simply you have to bisect the OF. F ని అనగా ఫోకస్ ని 80 mm దగ్గర మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, లొకేట్ చేసాం. మనకి ఈక్వల్ రావాలి కదా, ఏంటిది పిఎఫ్ బై ఓవి అనేది ఎసెంట్రిసిటీ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 రావాలి, అంటే హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ రావాలి, అంతే కదా. అంటే ఫోకస్ నుంచి వర్టెక్స్, అలాగే ఓ నుంచి వర్టెక్స్ హాఫ్ అయి ఉండాలి. సో దట్ బైసెక్ట్ చేయండి బై టేకింగ్ మోర్ దాన్ ద హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద రేడియస్. O is the center. Draw an arc above the OF and below the one more arc OF. The same radius. F is the center. Intersect the previous arc above the OF and below the OF, and then join these 2 points. Then at which point it is intersected, the axis, it is vertex. Okay. Now it is need not to be no more is needed. Okay, that's all. B. Now BF is the radius, F is the చెప్పాలి set. BF is the radius, B is the center. Then draw an arc onto the line. From the V, draw a vertical line. At B dash, it is intersected. Okay. Now join O B dash. Join O B dash. Now locate some points from V. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, some 10 points, most probably. Then extend these points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now draw these lines, which are called parallel to the directrix, perpendicular to the axis. Parallel to the directrix and perpendicular to the axis. And what is that mean? A line which is inclinedly we already drawn from the ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఓ నుంచి గీసినటువంటి లాస్ట్ వన్ నువ్వు నిలబడు బయటికి వెళ్ళి. Now fifth line. This is 1 and 1 dash, 2, 2 dash, 3, 3 dash, 4, 4 dash, 5, 5 dash. Name all these points on the inclined line. Now go 1 dash is radius. F is the center. Intersect the 1 dash perpendicular line above the OB or above the axis line, below the axis line. Look at the points P1 and P1 dash. Okay. Next, 2 dash is the radius. Center is F, and then intersect this perpendicular line above the axis and below the axis line. Continue the same procedure. All the perpendicular lines are intersected. Locate the points P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 up till P9, as we already previously drawn perpendicular lines. And then below points are P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash, P5 dash until P10 dash. Now join all these points with a smooth cut. You will get the parabola. There is no enclosed circle or oval shape. Why? Because it is parabola. అదే ఎలిప్స్కి అయితే ఏమవుతుంది, క్లోజ్ అయిపోతుంది. పారాబోలాకి క్లోజ్ అవ్వదు. అంతటితో ఆపేస్తాం మనం. Now in the problem it is asked to draw the tangent and normal below the axis 20 mm or 25 mm. 25 mm. ఇది యాక్సిస్ లైన్. యాక్సిస్ లైన్ నుంచి మీరు 25 mm మెజర్ చేయండి. లొకేట్ M అది ఇచ్చాడు ఎక్కడ గీయాలో కూడా. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గివెన్ దెన్ యువర్ విష్. Anywhere on the circumference of the parabola you can locate the point M. Now join the point M to the M. Okay, give me the perpendicular scale, mini drafter scale. Use this scale. Put one scale on the line which is joined M and F. Next line is perpendicular. Next scale, perpendicular scale. Then join this scale onto the directrix of the serpent. ఎంతవరకు డ్రా చేయాలి మనం? డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, అలా డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్ డ్రా చేయండి. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ సమ్ ఎక్స్ జాయిన్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ ఎమ్. ఈ అమ్మని ఎక్స్ని జాయిన్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ ఎమ్. I join x and m. It is the t dash means what is it? Tangent. Now put this scale on the m on the v line at m. Now draw the perpendicular line. You will get the normal n and dash. Okay. For the tangent, always the normal will be perpendicular. Perpendicular is this perpendicular line normal. Then tangent will be again perpendicular to each other. Normal ki tangent ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Tangent ki normal ఎలా ఉంటుంది? So that I think all of you got it. How will you draw the tangent and normal? As it is asked to locate a point on the circumference of the parabola M. Join this M to the focus F. Then draw the perpendicular line onto the directrix. Locate the X. Join X and M. Then to the X and M, draw a perpendicular line at M, which will be the normal. This XM is the tangent. I think all of you got it.
Yes, sir.